I'm Jordan with AMP Global. I'm an MECP certified technician, and today I'm going to walk you through this installation. This kit's available for the Wrangler JK, the Wrangler JL, and the Gladiator JT. This easy-to-install kit features 2 weather-resistant blind spot cameras on fully assembled brackets that are specific to your Jeep. The brackets are also foam-backed, so it's going to protect your paint job. The bracket uses one of the original 10mm bolts to attach to the body of the Jeep without any drilling or cutting necessary. Then all you have to do is route the wire inside the vehicle and up to your head unit. Adding blind spot cameras like this to the body of the Jeep is going to give you a clear view of what's on the side of you, whether you have your doors on or your doors off. We're going to rate it 1 pry tool out of 4 on our difficulty scale because you're using a factory bolt, there's no drilling required, and you're just going to route the camera up to your head unit.
Before we get started, let's take a look at the tools we will need. A ratchet with an extension, a 10mm socket, and a pry tool.
For this installation, you can leave your doors on, but we've removed ours to give you a better view of where we're mounting our bracket and running our wiring. We're going to start by loosening the 10mm bolt in the door jamb. Once that bolt is loose, you can go ahead and tuck the camera bracket behind it and then secure it back down. They are going to be labeled at the end of the plug, driver side and passenger side, so you just want to make sure you line those up with the correct side of the Jeep. I'm going to use my pry tool to remove the plastic side piece of the dash. Next, we're going to tuck our wire into the fender, up into the cowl, then fold this black rubber piece back so that we can run the wire inside the vehicle. You may find it helpful to use a plastic pry tool to ensure your wire is tucked inside and not visible. Now that we have the wire inside the vehicle, we can go ahead and route it up to our head unit. You will repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle. In the box, you'll also find a U-shaped key that allows you to adjust the cameras for the perfect angle. And that's all there is to installing these EchoMaster blind spot cameras. We hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.